Here we are discussing about the point of sales or POS interface. Point of sale module records each sale when it happens, so your inventory records will always up to date. User can improve pricing accuracy by integrating barcode scanners and credit card authorization ability with the POS system. We can open the POS interface from the POS module. Or else we can use the POS interface shortcut. By clicking on the POS interface we'll open Cashier Login module. We have to enter the cashier details to log into the POS module. This is the POS interface we have. The first option to select item is the search bar placed in the POS interface. When searching the item using search bar there will show the list of all items with respect to the keyword used to search. And also the items category will display in the module with different colored buttons. From there we can select the items to the sales module. User can also fetch the item into the sales module by scanning the barcode of that item. We can select the bill type from the bill type drop-down list. We can do various functions using the buttons placed right side of the POS module. We can select the table using the table button. If there any table is already selected, then the color of that tables will change into red, instead of green. We can also create sub-tables under a main table. And also we can select the sub-tables as well. There the quantity button or the keyboard shortcut F2, can be used to change the quantity of the items selected. By click on the KOT button will print the kitchen order transfer print end, that bill hold for later billing. We can access that hold bill by click on the recall button or the F4 function key in the keyboard. We can use the F5 shortcut key or cash button to make the payment by cash. When paying the cash we get the print bill. F6 or the card button is used to make the payments, using cards. The user can split the single order into two, by click on the split order button. While click on the split order button will show the checkbox to select the item which we want to split off. After selecting the items we have to click on the split button to split off the invoice. Then the order will split into two orders and will be hold. We can recall it using recall button. We can select the customer from the customer finder using customer button or using the Alt plus F shortcut key. We can also create a new customer by click on the new button. We have to choose the customer to add credit-wise bill. We can save the credit invoice by click on the Save Invoice button, or Alt+S keyboard shortcut, after selecting the customer. At the time of credit customer payment, we have to choose the customer module by using the Customer button. From where we can get the customer statement while click on the Statement button. We can remit the customer payment by click on the Payment button. By clicking on the Payment button will redirect to the receipt voucher, from where we can remit the payment. We can use the Foreign Currency button or F7 key, to use the foreign currency. While using the foreign currency there we get an option to select the currency type. When selecting the currency, the payable amount automatically converted into the foreign currency value. User can use the F9 or Open Drawer button to open the drawer as well. The Shift V or Void Line button is used to remove single items from the Sales module. We can use the Cancel Invoice button or Alt+C to cancel the whole invoice. We can select the server or the staff by click on the Server button or using the Ctrl+C shortcut key. Edit Invoice button will open a module which lists out all the POS transactions. From there, we can edit or delete the existing transactions. User can get the daily report by click on the Daily Report button. Alt+P or the Change Price button is used to change the selling price of the selected item. User can print the bill without saving it by click on the Print Only button. Total Discount button is used to add discount for the invoice. This function can also be done using the Alt+P keyboard shortcut. User can take the print of the last invoice done, by click on the Print Last Invoice. We can do the sales return using the Sales Return button. And we can save the sales return using the Cash or the Credit Card button with respect to the selling criteria. We can give the discount by percentage-wise by click on the Total Discount Percentage button. We also have the cash declaration function in this module. That is, the user can enter the amount details when counting the amount. Which amount will be compared with the amount sold using the software. And that comparison details will send to the company email with the counter close report at the time of the counter close. We can use the counter close button to close the counter. The closing bill will be printed and that will emailed to the company email while closing the counter. As a last process of closing the day, we have to post the sales into the ledger. For that we have to get into the POS module where we have the posting and print session. After selecting the ledger we can post the transaction by click on the post button.